So this is the anti-snoring APAP machine from Snore Circle. If you need to know the difference between a CPAP and a APAP, is the APAP, it automatically adjusts as far as the pressure of breathing in and breathing out, and CPAP is just constant pressure. So this is going to come with 3 different boxes. It's going to come with the auto CPAP machine, it's going to come with the mask, and it's going to come with the tube. It also has an app that you can connect to your phone and get your pressure as you're breathing, all of that stuff. So just a few things that you may or may not want to know. That it comes with: the weight is 1.25 kilograms. The size is 276 times 205 millimeters. We'll pull everything out so you can see it. And again, the ambient temperature is -25 degrees Celsius to +70 degrees Celsius. So again, this is from Snore Circle. So let's jump in the box and show you what's in it. Okay, so inside the box, you're going to have 3 packages. So there's the mask itself, there's your cord, got this nice carrying bag, and then got your auto CPAP. And when I say CPAP, it auto adjusts the pressure. It gives you a sleep report, air leakage compensation, and it's small and portable, so you can take it everywhere. It's funny, I just went camping last week with somebody that had one of these and didn't hear it the whole night long. So we're going to go through this part really quick. I'll just open everything and put it on the table. Okay, so everything you got in your bag. So you've got some filters, your power connects to the tube right here. Then you actually have the Snore Circle machine right here. It's very small. Size of a couple apples right there. Got your power button, your Bluetooth to connect to your phone. There's your DC outlet right there. It passes all your FCC regulations. Again, this is a Snore Circle, so we'll throw that in here. Comes with a user manual right here. Shows you how to do everything, how to connect to the app. There's a QR code right there that you can download. Here's your tube. Here's your carrying case. We've got 2 more user manuals. This is for the breathing tube. This is for the continuous, basically your nasal mask right here. All of your air filters right here for the mask. And one of the things that I've heard and read about this mask, when I say heard about, because I told you I went camping last week with a gentleman that had one of these, and you've got this silicone cover right here that goes over your nose, and then you've got this goes over your head. Just wrap it around, and then you've got this Velcro piece right here that just connects everything together. So let me pause this, turn around, I can show you with it on really quick. Okay, so we've got it powered on, and you've got these little spots right here. Goes in, locks into place. We just push these and it pops out. So it's got this nice little locking mechanism. And we've got both a female, male end. Same, you want to make sure that it's all the way there tight, right there. And we're going to do the same on the other end with the mask. Wiggle it all the way back and forth till we get it all the way in. We get that seal. Okay. So I've adjusted everything. I'm going to flip the camera around, turn this guy on, get the app connected, and show you a little bit of footage. And I'll actually probably just take the app footage and I'll put it right next to me with this on for a few minutes so you can see kind of where we're at and what we're collecting, different stuff like that. So let's do that. So I've actually never slept with one of these on. Again, I told you I went camping with somebody last week. I had a college roommate that used one, but super easy to use. There's Velcro on the 4 corners. You just wrap it around your head. And then we've got this really, really light silicone that goes around our nose. And again, this is an APAP anti-snoring machine. It's going to help you get everything where we need to get it. So this piece goes right here around your nose, and then we turn this on. It's automatic, right? So it's going to catch my breathing. And I'm just going to lean back a little bit and get some data for the machine. So I got this nice little chair. The nice thing is, right, as I take this off, and you can hear it, is that it's fully on right now because I'm not breathing. But when I put it on, it actually adjusts to my breathing and my breathing rate. Which is really nice, right? The other thing that you probably can't see, but this is a nice little felt right here all the way around, easy adjustable magnets. And then the other thing that I did not show when we did the unboxing is the actually nose piece rotates around. So if you're a side sleeper, the cord will get out of your way. Obviously, if you're a back sleeper, it'll just go straight up. But again, this just piece goes around your nose, and then we can add filters, change filters throughout. So really, really, really easy to use. A couple things that I just wanted to show you or tell you about is the power button, which stops and starts the fan. You've got a Bluetooth connection. So that's how you're going to connect to the app through your phone, is through Bluetooth. It does have a fan indicator light on here, and then the blue indicator light will turn off. The air outlet needs to be used. It needs to be plugged in, right, either to a battery or the wall in order for everything, right? So DC outlet to use. So once I get some footage, I'll actually show you that. Hopefully you saw that the whole time. I'll just give you my final thoughts right here. So I'm gonna give you my final thoughts, right? As far as someone who's never had sleep apnea, this thing was really, really intuitive. And again, this is an APAP, not a CPAP. So it's adjusting personally to me and how I breathe. And so you saw as I was taking breaths in, it was pushing the air out. And then as I was breathing out, it wasn't forcing the air down my throat. That's one of the differences between the CPAP, right? Which is constant air just kind of going through. The nice thing about this too is it's an anti-snoring, right? Because it's pushing the air in and out. You've got a bunch of the extra filters, both for the machine and for the mask itself. Really, really easy to put together. All comes together and goes in this portable case right here from Snore Circle. Appreciate you. Thanks for watching.